In today's video, I want to make a menu where I can select different websites instead of um, just clicking on icons to do it. I want to create a menu creating a batch file to do this. So let's get started. You'll need to open up Notepad. I'm going to create a menu first. Okay. Um, so for if you press if you enter something here, then it's going to check what you entered, the number or whatever. If it's 1 to 6, it's going to go to parked. 1 to 6. Actually, we should put 0 also. Computer 0 is counted as a number, so we're going to put 0 as well. So if it's less than equal to 5, then it's going to select one of these, whatever you entered. Control C here, Control V. So in this condition, if it's greater than 5, it's just going to go back to start. That's what it's going to do. If it's anything else, it's going to go back to start. So that's a condition for the if statement. So we're going to open up. This is going to help us open the web browser that we want. I want to use Microsoft Edge, but you could use whatever you like. Let's locate Microsoft Edge. It's Microsoft Edge application. Control C, copy that. Control V. Here, F2, Control C. I think that's an exe file, I think. Not sure. Okay, that's an exe file. I'm going to get the URL for that. Amazon. I think that's H. Amazon, I think. After we finish, it's just going to go back to start again. Windows V. I guess I would select that again. I don't know Temu's website. Let's check what that is. Good. Uh, Windows V. Sorry. Windows V. That. This to clear the screen. Also, almost forgot. Okay, so if I type in yes, you know what? I'll just make it simpler. Yes or no. Put all that stuff in there. If it's yes, if it's no, then go to start. It's gonna go back here if it's no. If it's yes, then it's gonna go here. It's gonna go here and exit the program. I think that's it. So let's save it and try this out to see if it works. That's what I'll name it. Yeah, that works. Rest works. eBay works. Walmart works. Let's see if that condition works. Okay, that's it. So we could do this with other web browsers as well. If you want to use Chrome or Firefox, we could do the same thing basically. I'll show you what you have to do if you want to do that. Actually, I'll do that right now. I think I want to use Firefox for that. Copy that. Control C here. / F2 Control C. Okay, so all we do is we just paste this in there and we should open Firefox. We could do that with Chrome as well. It doesn't really matter. Instead of using Edge, I'm using Firefox. We'll test one website. Test number 4, Walmart. And this is opened with Firefox, so that works. Now I'm going to exit. I'm going to test. I don't want to enter. Make sure you use caps because I only put caps in here. So no. So it goes back to start. So number 5. Yes. Exit. Bye-bye. That's it. So that's what I have for you today. If you, I'll leave all the stuff that I did in the video descriptions below. If you have any thoughts or questions, you could put it in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.